I'm Laura GB, and this is a video in my Magic of M series on unpivoting data. So here we have our data, and it's an Excel spreadsheet. Every column is a different day, and so it's showing how many customers that team member has dealt with that day. So on a new day, a new column is added and numbers are put underneath. So let's close this Excel file and go into Power BI. So into here, I'm going to click on Get Data, Excel, and there is my data file, and I'm going to click Open. It's on sheet 1, so we'll tick there, and there's my data again. Now it's not in a format that I like, so we're going to click on Transform Data. And here is the Power Query coming up. And there we go, we've got our data. It can't quite work out which is the column headings and things, but that's okay. I'm going to promote that top layer to be the column headings. So on the Home tab, over here on the right hand side, is Use First Row as Headers. Click onto there, and there you are, all the dates become the headers. Dates as the column headings isn't much use. I won't be able to filter by the dates. So what I want is those dates in a column. I also want the team member name next to it and the number of customers they saw that day. So I'm going to click on the team member, make sure that's the column I've got selected. That column I want to keep, the rest I want to unpivot. So on the Transform ribbon, there is Unpivot Columns. There's a drop down, and I'm going to go for Unpivot Other Columns. So click there, and there you are, my team member column has appeared. I've got an attribute column and I've got a value column. Now that attribute column has got the dates in it, so I'm just going to quickly change the type in there to be date, and I'm also going to change the name of it to be date, and I'm going to change the name of value to be customers. And there we are, our data's ready to go back into our report. So we now go back, so I'm now going to go to Home and do Close and Apply. And just to quickly show the kind of things we can do, I'm going to bring in a data card, and I'm just going to click on Customers so we get our total customers. I'm also going to click on a slicer, and I'm going to bring in date, and there we are. We can filter down to a set number of ranges, and the number of customers changes, etc. And we can build our report. So we went from our data that was in a grid in our Excel file and transformed it using Unpivot into a column we can use to report on. So this is my video on unpivoting data in my Magic of M series. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Take care now.